How about we find out exactly how long it takes me to do my hair from start to finish. Hey there guys! Today's video is going to be a little bit different for this channel. We're going to do an entire wash day in real time. There's going to be no cuts, no edits. I say that. This video is going to be edited just a little bit. So like the diffusing process, y'all don't sit there for 20 minutes watching me diffuse my hair because that's about how long it takes me to diffuse my hair. But we're going to time the entire process from start to finish, and you're going to get to see the entire process. So if this seems like fun to you, please give this video a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And if you want to hang out for more wavy curly content, go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell. But without further ado, let's get to washing this hair, shall we? Come on, guys. Let's go. Oh, you get to see my editing setup. All right, let's get into my bathroom. Let's get some light so y'all can see, and let's just get right into it. So I'm going in with the same shampoo and conditioner I've been using for all my single styler experiments. It is by Strands. It's a custom formulation for shampoo and conditioner. It's pretty cool. I talked about it in my winter wash day routine video. So if you are interested in hearing more about that, you should totally go check out that video. But yeah, I just am scrubbing my scalp now, and I do tend to take my time with this. I have noticed that with Curly Girl approved shampoos and conditioners, they not shampoos and conditioners. No edits is gonna be fun. You'll get to see all my brain farts in real time as well. All right. Curly Girl approved shampoos kind of have like these smaller bubbles. The foam tends to be a little bit stiffer. So I do tend to have to scrub my scalp more than I used to when I was using sulfate shampoos all the time. But that's okay. Also, pro hack. I don't know if that's a pro hack or not, but if you add a little bit of water to them, they'll also foam up just a little bit more as well. And of course, I am using the pads of my fingers. I am not scrubbing with my fingernails. All right. Now I'm going to scrub my scalp even more with this awesome scalp scrubber that came with the Strands shampoo and conditioner. Also for this video, I'm going to try really hard not to over explain everything. That way it's like if I were just doing this in real time. Sometimes it actually takes me longer when I stop and explain stuff. So if you have any questions, let me know. Now it's time for conditioner. I really like this conditioner. It's really thick and concentrated. I don't feel like I need a lot. This is a good one. I like this one. I also find that I don't need a leave-in with this conditioner. It's one of the few conditioners I've ever used that I don't feel like I need a leave-in afterwards. Oh, so much hair shed. Yep, that's another thing with no edits. Y'all are gonna get to see me just grabbing all of my nasty shed hair. Ugh. Alright, there's some. Did you know that it is totally normal to shed more, well, to notice that your hair sheds more when you do the curly girl method? Don't freak out. If you start noticing more hair coming out when you shower doing the curly girl method, the average human sheds 50 to 100 hairs a day. And if you aren't brushing and washing your hair every day, you kind of keep more of those shed hairs in your hair, and then you wash it and all the shed hairs fall out, and so you see a lot of hair. All right. Squishing to conditioning now. This actually helps drive hydration deeper into your hair. I found that as my hair gets lower and lower porosity, the more healthy it becomes. In order to maintain hydration, skipping squish to condish is like not a good idea. Now, if I was being very good, I would let this sit on my hair for about 5 minutes, but this is Courtney's honest routine. No trimming out anything. And if I'm being real honest, I don't tend to leave my conditioner in my hair. I just kind of squish it in until I feel like my hair soaks it up, and then I rinse out everything else. And then I'm going to kind of pull the hair off the back of my head, because when you rinse upside down, things try and stick. And then I like to push the hair away from my face with my brush, pull it off the sides of my head. That way nothing weird happens. And then I stand up, shake the hair off the back of my head, come down. Here, I'm going to see if I can actually show you this time. See? I hang not upside down. I let it hang. There we go. Oh, water's on my shirt. Water's on my shirt. Ah! I don't want to get my shirt wet. Okay. Then I'm ready for gel because all the curl clumps are organized and prepared. Grabbing my teaspoon measurer. And as I am in the middle of a gigantic single styler experiment, I'm only going to use one styler. So this is a very easy routine. 3 products and I am done. Rope it and scrunch it. I glaze, rope, scrunch. That tends to be my modus operandi. standing up, shaking it off the back of my head. And I actually feel like grabbing just about a half teaspoon more and applying this directly to the back of my head. Because I feel like that section is getting missed. And if I miss that section, it has no definition or curl enhancement. Lots of squishing, gooshing, nice squishy goodness. And yes, I really do scrunch my hair this much. What I'm waiting for is this feeling that the product has completely distributed through my hair. I can kind of tell when I'm touching it that there are certain sections that don't feel like they have gel in them. So I just kind of keep squishing and scrunching and pulsing until I feel the water kind of swoosh that product into the areas that don't have enough product. All right, there we go. Now I've got to dry my hands off. I'll be back. And you know what? Today, I'm gonna look like Cousin It. I don't feel like plopping my hair. I think I just want to micro-plop. So, I'm taking my Perfect Hair Care towel and trying to get it grabbed. There we go. And I'm just going to basically wring the excess water out of my hair, move to a dry section of the towel, scrunch and hold. I really like this towel. It's a microfiber towel, but it's very, very smooth and very thin. It reminds me of t-shirt material, but it's way more absorbent than a regular t-shirt would be. And that's because of microfibers. There we go. And now that I'm taking some of the water out of my hair, I'm definitely being much more gentle with it. Okay, let's see. While also trying to keep the curl clumps intact. Oh, there we go. Grab the back, scrunch. I also find that micro-plopping is a much gentler way to remove water. Like, not gentler, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, if your curl clumps are way more delicate, you can micro-plop and it won't mess them up as much. It won't make them as wonky. All right, I feel pretty good about the amount of water I've removed. Now I'm gonna start diffusing. And for this part of the video, how much time? Okay, I've been recording for 15 minutes. My camera automatically cuts off at 30 minutes. So once I see it cuts off, I'm gonna like kick it to start recording again. But if there is one cut during this part, that's why. I'm gonna diffuse now. Alrighty, look. Guys, I made it before it cut off. It's, yay! Okay, I am done diffusing my hair. This is as far as I diffuse it. It's about 90% dry. Like right now, dang it, it did just cut off, but I'm back. It feels like dry, but I know my hair. I know that once it cools down, yes, I don't diffuse on low heat or low speed. I've been breaking that rule for a very long time now. I diffuse on medium heat and high speed. Shh, don't tell the curly girl police. Anyway, that's why my hair's warm. I know once it cools down, it will start to feel damp. And so, yeah, there we go. Wash day complete. Turn off lights. All right, guys, that's it. That is a wash day in real time. Y'all are crooked. Let me make you straight. There we go. Is that better? I think that's better. On a typical wash day, I would do this whole routine. And at this point, I'm kind of done. The only thing left is to wait until my hair is 100% dry and then scrunch out the crunch. Usually that takes anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour for my hair to go ahead and fully dry. I don't diffuse my hair to 100% dry. I find that extra time it takes to get my hair to 100% dry, that last 10%, it just takes forever. So I would rather spend that time air drying than diffusing. Also, when I diffuse to 100% dry, my hair gets real frizzy. So this is how my hair winds up at this stage. At this stage, I typically wander around my house. I work from home, so I'll do a bunch of work from the computer, or no shame in my game, I have left my house with my hair looking like this, and I'm perfectly okay with it. But yeah, there you go. All right, that is a wash day in real time. Final time for washing and diffusing is right there. Comment down below, do you consider it cheating that I am not including the time that it takes for me to air dry my hair? The reason that I don't feel like it counts is that it's not time of me actually doing my hair. I'm actually doing other things during that time that it's air drying. Also, most of the time while I'm diffusing, I will actually use that time to listen to podcasts or an audiobook, music, that kind of thing. So theoretically, I'm not spending that entire time while I'm diffusing my hair doing my hair. I'm actually doing something else as well. So by that logic, diffusing shouldn't count, but it does. Anyway, let me know. Do you think it's cheating to not count the air dry time? Would you consider this the time it takes me to wash and style my hair? All right, guys. I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye! Just kidding. The video's not over. Here is my hair 100% dry. It took right at 30 minutes to finish air drying. All I did to finish off today's wash was to fluff the roots. There really wasn't a crunchy cast on the ends. The mop top really doesn't give me a super hard crunchy cast on the ends, so I didn't have to scrunch the ends. I just fluffed the roots. But yeah, here's the results of today's wash day. You didn't really think I was going to not show you how it turned out, did you? Let me turn around and show you the back. All right, now the video's over.